Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy CAILA AI token on Binance Alpha. First, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search CA for CAILA. You can search it. Then you can scroll down and you will see CA on Alpha. You can click it. And as you can see, this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. And you will see 24-hour high, low, then the volume. Also, if you want to see the audit, you can click it. Then if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.